Motorcycle war might be considered more safe than any other type of war, but there are still idiots on cars out there that make you think that is not the case. Here are some clips that show us just how stupid people can be behind the wheel of a car. Just like a car, let's begin right away. This video is the best example of what dealing with the phone can cause.
What? Oh! Oh!
The reason is unknown, but there is always turmoil between bikers and car drivers. It is unknown why this happens. Bikers always blame car drivers. Car drivers always blame bikers. The only way to understand who is right is to watch the video until the end.
Vehicle? How are you telling me me?
You're this
So I should drive around?
Yeah, you should, because that's the law.
Bike lane for you on this road, eh?
Go back to Princess and Division. There's a big green bike sign.
Yeah.
This is a shared lane.
Okay, so I can't drive behind you?
No, there's 5 feet behind you, you can't.
5 feet behind you, moron. I can see your whole back wheel. You're
Exactly.
a dumbass. You're dumb.
What's the braking distance for this piece of Yeah.
Look at the bike you're on. You're a piece of driving an $80,000 truck. Good, and you? To 2021, bud. Piece of eh? You're driving
What's
around
the
on a
braking
goddamn
distance?
bike.
What's the braking
You're an
distance?
idiot.
What's
You're
the braking
an idiot.
distance?
I'm allowed to drive on a road, okay?
So am I.
Okay, I'm doing 30. The braking distance is probably about 5 feet. Look at the tires on it.
You know what the braking distance
You're
is?
an idiot.
No, you're a f***ing idiot, buddy.
Some Honda drivers install loud exhausts on their cars. These drivers generally like to disturb people around them, but the Honda driver in this video seems like a very calm person who wants to defend his rights. You are about to watch a very scary video. The biker in this video just wanted to go for a little forest ride, but a car driver wants to catch him and hurt him. Hello everyone from a strange video. This biker was late noticing the people at the crosswalk and almost hit them. Fortunately, they are fine, but they start arguing with the biker.
Kardeşim ben sürmüyorum üstüne. Frene bastım durmadı ve sen de şu anda bana tepki veriyorsun. Frene bastım durmadı. Bak bak. Teker orada kaydı. Teker orada kaydı. Ya bunu bu kadar büyütmeye...
Bikers like to travel in teams. One of the reasons for this is that if they travel together, they can be better united against car drivers. The woman in this video hates bikers and starts threatening them.
You're lucky you don't lose that mirror right now.
Dude, what the f*** are y'all doing?
Why are you on my ass? What is? Go in the speed limit? How about that for some bull? Oh my God, are you serious? Hey, oh my God, are you serious? Hey, KDT 3116. I got that shit all on camera, you stupid. Go get her! Go get her! Where's she at? Yeah, I got that shit all on film. Good job. Hey, that does it. That's attempted murder. Dude. That's That's attempted murder! You, you're going to jail! You're going to jail!
I am a biker myself, and I do not recommend any biker to ride in rainy weather. Motorcycles can be very dangerous in rainy weather, and the biker in this video is in trouble, but the reason is a car driver.
What the f wrong with you? Just because you put your indicator doesn't mean you turn. What the f wrong with you? What the f wrong with you, bro? Are you right?
I really think some drivers get their license from the supermarket, and I don't think it is difficult to keep a car inside the yellow lanes. But this Ford driver can't do this.
Huh? Why did you almost hit me, dude?
What do you mean?
You just came into my lane. I got it all on camera.
What you got on camera, buddy?
All right.
Yeah, I know it's all right.
854 MWS.
Hey, John Miles is my name.
What's that?
John Miles is my name.
All right. Bet.
We already know that car drivers fight with bikers, but bikers often fight with each other. This video shows two bikers fighting for a ridiculous reason.
Lu yang beloknya aja ya. Lu beloknya gila kali ya. Langsung tadi di sono. Emang gua nggak lihat. Gua juga ngasih sen. Lu dari kiri ke kanan ya. Lu balik apa? Hah? Lu balik apa? Hah? Lu dari jauh. Gua dari jauh, lu dari kiri ke kanan langsung. Iya, gua ada video. Lu orang mana? Hah?
Gue bilang
Jalan lu ngentot. Weh. Lah. Lu gila ya. Lu dari kiri ke kanan ya. Lu dari kiri lu deh. Buset. Lu sini bego. Gokil. Dari kiri ke kanan. Tadu motor gue tadu.
It is not known what happened before the video, but this black car is standing ahead and waiting for the biker to arrive. Finally, the bikers come and the angry man in the car goes to argue with the bikers with his girlfriend.
Mind your business, you up your own car.
Why did you attempt to run my dad over?
Got called to you who I go and see. Got nothing to do.
Why did you try to run my dad over?
You're on private property. It's not private property.
Yes,
it's
it
not
is.
a private road.
That was you on a double yellow line.
You tried running my dad over.
Whatever.
Attempted.
Whatever.
You were on
Whatever.
private property.
Whatever.
Take Poton's number plate in case he comes back.
Yeah,
You're on private property.
Spit.
Get out my dad's face.
Oh, you dirty bastard.
And you swore in front of my son.
You swore first.
You day.
You swore in front of me.
You got
You're
corona,
lucky
you
I
dirty.
didn't bust your
You got a polo for him? Needs a polo or something.
You tried running my dad over.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are